From bulky gadgets used only for calls to sleek devices that control almost every aspect of our lives, smartphones have come a long way. But where are they headed next? Will smartphones become more than just tools and turn into an extension of ourselves? The future holds some fascinating answers. Think holographic displays, AI-powered assistants, eco-friendly designs, and even wearable devices that could replace traditional phones altogether. Some of these concepts sound like they're straight out of a sci-fi movie, but they're closer to reality than you might imagine. In today's video, we're diving deep into the future of smartphones, exploring 10 groundbreaking innovations that are set to redefine convenience, connectivity, and how we interact with technology. Stick around until the end for a peek into what the smartphones of tomorrow might look like. And trust me, you'll be amazed. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things tech. Ready to explore the future? Let's dive in. 1. Foldable and rollable screens. The future of design. Let's start with what's already making waves in the smartphone industry: foldable and rollable screens. Devices like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold have paved the way, but the future promises even more exciting possibilities. Imagine rollable screens that expand into a tablet-sized display with just a swipe and retract back into a compact device, or phones with multi-directional folds, offering a combination of flexibility and durability. This technology uses advanced OLED panels that are not only flexible but also lightweight and energy efficient. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or multitasking for work, foldable and rollable designs will give you the best of both worlds: portability and functionality. Soon, carrying a smartphone could feel like carrying a pocket-sized transformer. 2. Holographic displays. A sci-fi reality. Next on the list is something straight out of science fiction: holographic displays. Imagine projecting a 3D version of your friend during a video call or viewing objects as if they were right in front of you. Holographic technology allows smartphones to display 3D visuals without the need for glasses or external devices. It could revolutionize everything from video calls and gaming to education and product design. Companies like Rady and Leia are already experimenting with this tech, and as it becomes more affordable and refined, we could see smartphones transform into portable hologram projectors. Your phone might not just show you the future, it could project it right before your eyes. Three, AI that truly understands you. Artificial intelligence is already a core part of our smartphones, but the next generation of AI assistants will take things to a whole new level. These advanced AIs will learn from your daily habits, preferences, and even emotions to anticipate your needs. Imagine a phone that can automatically adjust your settings, suggest tasks, or even offer emotional support based on how you're feeling. It could suggest apps for productivity, recommend fitness routines tailored to you, or even remind you to hydrate on a hot day. Your smartphone will no longer just respond to your commands. It will proactively enhance your life in ways you never thought possible. 4. Cameras that rival the human eye. Smartphone cameras have already reached an incredible level of sophistication, but the future is going to push those boundaries even further. AI-powered cameras will automatically enhance lighting, angles, and colors, ensuring your photos look professional with zero effort. Ultra-zoom lenses will allow you to capture distant subjects in stunning detail, perfect for travelers and wildlife photographers. 4D imaging will add depth and motion to your photos, making them ideal for VR and AR applications. With such advancements, smartphones will not only compete with high-end cameras, but may replace them altogether, making professional photography accessible to everyone. 5. Batteries that keep going. Tired of charging your phone multiple times a day? That could soon be a thing of the past. Future smartphones will feature batteries that use graphene technology, allowing them to fully charge in under 10 minutes and last for days or even weeks. Integrate self-charging technology, harnessing solar energy, or even the kinetic energy generated from your movement. This means you could finally say goodbye to low battery anxiety and focus on using your phone without interruptions. The future is not just powerful, it's efficient and reliable. 6. Sustainable and biodegradable smartphones. As concerns about e-waste grow, the smartphone industry is moving toward sustainability. Future phones could be made from biodegradable materials, ensuring they break down safely after disposal. Modular designs will allow you to replace individual components like the battery, camera, or screen instead of buying an entirely new device. Even the packaging could be plantable, growing into flowers or herbs after you've unboxed your phone. These innovations not only benefit the planet, but also make smartphones more customizable and affordable for users. 7. Health monitoring smartphones. Your smartphone is already a fitness tracker, but the future will see it evolve into a full-fledged health monitor. Built-in sensors will measure your blood pressure, blood sugar levels, hydration, and even detect early signs of illness. Advanced sleep analysis could offer actionable insights to help you rest better. Imagine getting a notification warning you about dehydration or sunburn before it happens. Your smartphone could literally save your life, becoming an essential tool for preventive healthcare. 8. Augmented and virtual reality integration. The future of AR and VR is all about integration, and smartphones will be the central hub. Enhanced AR capabilities will let you overlay real-time navigation, try on clothes virtually, or play immersive AR games. VR integration will turn your phone into a controller for virtual worlds, perfect for gaming, education, and even remote work. With AR and VR tech advancing rapidly, your smartphone will bridge the gap between the physical and digital worlds like never before. 9. Built-in projectors for entertainment and productivity. Why carry a separate projector when your smartphone can do the job? Future phones could feature built-in projectors, perfect for watching movies, gaming, or presenting slides during a meeting. Compact yet powerful, this feature will make your smartphone an all-in-one device for both entertainment and productivity. Imagine turning any wall into a screen, anytime, anywhere. 10. Wearable smartphones. The ultimate convenience. Finally, let's talk about wearable smartphones, which could redefine portability and convenience. These devices will feature flexible displays that wrap around your wrist or even double as a fashion accessory. Despite their small size, they'll pack the same power and functionality as traditional smartphones. The future is all about seamless integration, and wearable smartphones are the next step in that evolution. The future of smartphones is closer than you think. From holographic displays to AI assistants and health monitoring features, these innovations are set to transform how we live, work, and connect. Which of these features excites you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on the tech shaping our future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video, where the future is always just a click away.